We thank Modern Manufacturing India for giving an opportunity to speak about IMTEX. IMTEX is one of the major exhibitions wherein Sphoorti is getting new customers and getting in touch with export customers and local customers.
In IMTEX 2025, Sphoorti is exhibiting the new products in driven tool family. The new products are slotting heads, gear hopper and polygon milling cutters are suitable for turn mill centers. By using these tool holders, the number of setups of the component and also the lead time of the component process time is reduced. For example, if you take slotting heads, we can do the slottings on a turn mill center in a single setup, which will reduce the setup times. And also the next gear hopper, which we can do the gear hopper from module 1 to 2.5 module on a CNC turning centers without going for any other milling machines. The polygon process we can complete it on a CNC turning centers. These three products are new products for Sphoorti in this IMTEX.
At Sphoorti, we are keep adding new dedicated machines to increase the capacity, and they are also innovating new process to improve the productivity by reducing cycle time with the concept of multi-part machining. And we are also started working on Industry 4.0 to modernize our factory to a digital factory to increase productivity and efficiency, which will enhance the market demands.